Hi, I'm Tracy with UnifiedCommunications.com. Want an awesome Bluetooth speaker that you can use in the office, at home, or on the go? Let's see what's in the box. Introducing the Sync 40 Plus, just one member of the PolySync family. It's a USB wireless speaker that enables you to talk and be heard hands-free. Quickly connect to any device, either corded or wirelessly. You can connect Bluetooth with a USB-A or USB-C dongle adapter, or connect with a hardwired USB cable, both the USB-A and USB-C connected adapter. Let's show you how to connect to your computer. Take the 41-inch cable to your laptop and connect it to your USB port on your computer, and immediately download the PolyLens software so you can stay current on any software updates. Sync 40 Plus is dust and water resistant, certified Microsoft Teams and Zoom, easy to set up and easy to use. One other feature that it offers, there's a port on one side that you can charge your cell phone. Most people don't know about it and others don't offer it. Very cool. Just click on the link below to schedule a one-on-one appointment with one of our device specialists, and you can meet either virtually or in person, and we'll make sure to get you connected to the just right device.